Welcome to the Oracle EPBCS PBCS Implementation Playbook Part 2. This is a continuation to our previous video. In this video, we'll walk through a comprehensive step-by-step guide for delivering successful Oracle Enterprise Planning and Budgeting Cloud Service projects. Whether you're a solution architect, functional consultant, technical lead, or part of the delivery team, this playbook is designed to help you navigate every critical phase of implementation. We'll focus on practical guidance, proven methodologies, and real-world best practices that ensure your enterprise planning transformation is robust, scalable, and future-ready. Let's begin our journey by outlining the key phases and what you can expect from this video. Guidance is built on Oracle's proven implementation methodology, official EPM Cloud documentation, and best practices from global enterprise projects. This playbook is a follow-up to our previous video where we covered the initial requirements gathering, design, and build and testing phases. Today, we'll focus on the later stages: deployment, go-live, automation, delivery models, and more. Each section is crafted to provide actionable steps and insights, ensuring you're equipped for every challenge along the way. Let's dive into the implementation and deployment phase where the rubber meets the road. This video will cover the core implementation and deployment phase, the go-live cutover and handover, AI and automation recommendations, the recommended delivery model, EPBCS, PBCS specific do's and don'ts, final architect guidance, cross-phase governance, and references. Each topic is essential for a seamless transition from project build to business-as-usual operations. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for delivering value and ensuring long-term sustainability in your Oracle EPM journey. Implementation and deployment phase is all about executing a stable production rollout. The main objectives are to deploy a robust solution, execute the cutover with minimal business disruption, and ensure a controlled transition to production. This phase is where planning, preparation, and teamwork come together to deliver a seamless experience for end users and stakeholders. Let's break down the key activities that make this phase successful. Cutover planning is the backbone of a successful deployment. Start with a detailed cutover plan outlining every step and timeline. Prepare a production migration schedule, backup and rollback strategies, freeze windows to prevent last-minute changes, and a clear communication plan. Establish a hypercare support model and ensure production support readiness. These preparations help mitigate risks and ensure everyone knows their role during the critical go-live window. Production migration involves moving all critical components, metadata, data forms, business rules, security reports, dashboards, integrations, and workflow configurations, into the live environment. Careful validation is essential. Check historical data, budget and forecast versions, opening balances, workforce data allocation outputs, currency conversions, and reporting outputs. This ensures the production environment mirrors the tested solution and is ready for business use. Hypercare is a focused support period immediately after go-live. Establish a dedicated hypercare support team, define an escalation matrix, schedule daily governance calls, and set up incident tracking and SLA monitoring. Executive communication is key during this period, ensuring any issues are addressed quickly and transparently. Hypercare helps stabilize the solution and builds user confidence in the new system. User readiness is critical for adoption. Conduct comprehensive end-user training, enable super users, and provide process walkthroughs. Offer planning calendar and smart view training along with reporting workshops. Well-trained users are more confident and productive, reducing support needs and ensuring a smooth transition to the new system. Thorough documentation is essential for a controlled deployment. Prepare a cutover runbook, migration checklist, rollback plan, production support model, escalation matrix, hypercare plan, go-live approval document, production validation reports, training materials, and knowledge transfer documents. These resources ensure everyone is aligned and ready for any scenario during deployment. Follow best practices for deployment. Conduct mock cutovers, freeze metadata before go-live, validate integrations end-to-end, use automated migration tools, maintain strict change control, and validate security thoroughly. These steps help prevent surprises and ensure a smooth, predictable deployment experience for all stakeholders. Operational excellence during deployment is achieved by establishing a command center, conducting daily issue triage, tracking critical incidents separately, maintaining executive communication cadence, and enabling rapid issue escalation. These practices ensure that any issues are quickly identified, prioritized, and resolved, keeping the deployment on track. Effective change management is vital for user adoption and operational stability. Train users before go-live, conduct business readiness assessments, enable a role-based support model, and communicate support processes clearly. These steps help users adapt to new processes and ensure they know where to turn for help. Avoid common go-live pitfalls. Never deploy without a rollback plan, don't apply untested production fixes, avoid last-minute design changes, don't underestimate user readiness, and ensure strong production validation. These mistakes can lead to costly disruptions and undermine user confidence. Support pitfalls can derail your deployment. Avoid weak hypercare staffing, unclear ownership during incidents, poor business communication, and delayed incident escalation. Strong support processes ensure issues are resolved quickly and users remain confident in the new system. The go-live cutover and handover phase transitions the solution into steady-state operations. The goals are to ensure operational sustainability, establish governance and support frameworks, and enable continuous improvement. This phase marks the shift from project delivery to ongoing business value. Once live, focus on operational sustainability. Monitor planning cycle performance, integration stability, forecast processing, user adoption, reporting accuracy, system availability, and SLA compliance. Proactive monitoring helps identify and resolve issues before they impact business operations. Production stabilization is about ensuring the system runs smoothly. Monitor all key metrics, including planning performance and user adoption. Address any issues quickly to maintain trust and keep the business running efficiently. Regular reviews and health checks are essential during this phase. Effective knowledge transfer is key to long-term success. Transfer knowledge to production support teams, business administrators, super users, IT support, and release management teams. Cover topics like application administration, metadata management, integration monitoring, security, business rules, report administration, incident and patch management. Set up a strong operational governance model. Establish a support governance structure, release management process, monthly governance reviews, enhancement intake process, metadata governance board, and change approval process. Governance ensures the solution remains aligned with business goals and adapts to changing needs. Continuous improvement keeps your solution relevant and valuable. Identify automation opportunities, AI forecasting enhancements, process optimizations, reporting improvements, and user experience upgrades. Regularly review and refine processes to drive ongoing business value. Maintain comprehensive operational documentation. Operational runbook, knowledge transfer documentation, SOPs, support playbooks, incident management procedures, enhancement governance model, release management plan, environment support guide, patch management strategy, and business continuity plan. These documents are vital for ongoing support and compliance. Maintain strong governance cadence, conduct regular metadata reviews, monitor planning performance continuously, establish proactive monitoring, and maintain strong audit controls. These best practices ensure your solution remains secure, compliant, and high-performing. Enable a tiered support structure, L1, L2, L3, maintain SLA-based support governance, conduct monthly health checks, and keep knowledge repositories up to date. These practices ensure efficient issue resolution and continuous learning for support teams. Prioritize automation enhancements, adopt Oracle's quarterly updates strategically, maintain disciplined release governance, and test all enhancements thoroughly. This approach ensures your solution evolves with business needs and leverages the latest Oracle innovations. Avoid weak operational governance, uncontrolled metadata growth, poor release management, and ignoring performance monitoring. These pitfalls can compromise system stability and business trust, so proactive management is essential. Support pitfalls include inadequate staffing, weak escalation governance, ignoring user feedback, and delayed issue resolution. Address these proactively to maintain high user satisfaction and operational excellence. Leverage AI and automation to enhance planning. Recommended innovations include AI-based forecasting, predictive variance analysis, automated planning recommendations, intelligent anomaly detection, AI-assisted commentary, automated workflow escalations, smart planning assistance, machine learning demand forecasting, driver optimization, and automated data validations. These tools drive efficiency and accuracy. Robust delivery model is structured across governance, functional, technical, and operational layers. The governance layer includes executive sponsors, steering committees, PMO, and architecture review boards. The functional layer covers architects and planning leads. The technical layer includes integration, data, security, and automation leads. The operational layer manages hypercare, support, release management, and administration. Each delivery model layer has clear roles and responsibilities. Governance ensures strategic alignment, functional leads drive planning excellence, technical leads manage integrations and security, and operational teams provide ongoing support and administration. This structure enables efficient, scalable, and resilient project delivery. Although these EPBCS, PBCS specific do use out-of-box functionality, standardize metadata, implement driver-based planning, automate integrations and validations, design scalable models, implement strong governance, enable predictive planning, build modular applications, standardize workflow approvals, and optimize smart view usage. These practices drive efficiency and reliability. Avoid these common mistakes: over-customizing planning models, relying on spreadsheets, using unsupported logic, ignoring performance, building disconnected applications, neglecting metadata governance, underestimating change management, skipping production-like testing, and allowing uncontrolled customization. These pitfalls can undermine your project's success. Successful EPBCS PBCS implementation is more than just technology, it's an enterprise planning transformation. Success comes when finance and business teams own the process, architecture is standardized and scalable, governance is disciplined, testing is comprehensive, documentation is rigorous, change management is proactive, and automation is embedded strategically. Ultimate goals are faster planning cycles, higher forecast accuracy, better collaboration, increased automation, reduced manual effort, improved executive visibility, sustainable operational excellence, and continuous planning maturity. These outcomes drive long-term business value and competitive advantage. Strong governance is essential across all project phases. Establish executive governance with a steering committee, PMO, architecture review board, change control board, risk review cadence, and executive escalation governance. This structure ensures alignment, accountability, and timely decision-making. Maintain RAID risks, assumptions, issues, dependencies management throughout the project. Review these weekly with leadership to ensure proactive risk mitigation and issue resolution. RAID management keeps the project on track and aligned with business objectives. Project success depends on strong business alignment, secure executive sponsorship, finance ownership, a clear operating model, and strong stakeholder alignment. These elements ensure the solution meets real business needs and delivers measurable value. Achieve technical excellence with standardized architecture, strong governance, scalable design, and automated integrations. These technical foundations support long-term sustainability and adaptability as business needs evolve. Delivery excellence is built on strong PMO discipline, structured testing, robust documentation, and effective change management. These practices ensure the project is delivered on time, within scope, and to the highest quality standards. Effective change management includes user readiness, clear communication, role-based training, and adoption management. These elements help users embrace new processes and ensure the solution delivers its intended benefits. Leverage Oracle's official documentation, implementation guides, operations guides, readiness documents, best practices, and predictive planning resources. Review integrated business planning frameworks, driver-based methodologies, enterprise forecasting, finance transformation, AI-driven automation, and governance models to deepen your expertise. Successful Oracle EPBCS PBCS implementations require strong functional alignment, disciplined governance, scalable architecture, structured delivery, and continuous business engagement. Focus equally on technology, governance, process transformation, user adoption, automation, data quality, and continuous improvement for lasting results. Well-governed implementation lays the foundation for enterprise-wide integrated business planning, predictive forecasting, strategic agility, and long-term operational excellence. By following this playbook, your organization can achieve sustainable transformation and stay ahead in a rapidly changing business environment. Continuous improvement is not a one-time effort but an ongoing journey. Encourage teams to regularly review processes, adopt new technologies, and seek feedback from users. This mindset ensures your planning solution remains relevant, efficient, and aligned with evolving business goals. To recap, successful Oracle EPBCS PBCS implementations are built on strong planning, disciplined execution, robust governance, and continuous improvement. By following best practices and avoiding common pitfalls, your organization can unlock the full value of enterprise planning and budgeting in the cloud. Thank you for joining this deep dive into the Oracle EPBCS PBCS implementation playbook. With the right approach, tools, and mindset, your team can deliver a successful, sustainable enterprise planning transformation. Continue exploring Oracle's resources and stay committed to best practices for ongoing success. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Upskill 2001 Propagate Knowledge for more such contents and be in touch via LinkedIn and Shanasate.com.